Hello guys, today I am here to tell you about new module, that is import bill of materials. Now click on manufacturing menu and you can see here import BOM menu. So click on import BOM menu for open wizard import BOM. Here you can fill all the information of wizard like file option, CSV or XLS. So you can select one XLS file. Here second is import product by name, code or barcode. So select name. Here upload your file. So upload file product BOM product name .xls. User want to download sample file for import BOM. So click on download sample file and download it here. Now fill all the information of import BOM. So click on import for import bill of material. So click on import. Here you can see message bill of material successfully imported. If file data is already imported, then display the message is bill of material is already imported. Now so the imported BOM is go to the master data and go to the bill of materials. Here you can see here the all imported bill of materials like Apple wireless keyboard, Bolt, Bose mini Bluetooth speaker, and last is computer. This is all imported bill of materials. One, second is Bolt, third is Bose mini, and last is so this is all about bill of materials. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you can enjoy this video, then subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.